Bringing electricity to everyone on the planet by 2030 is one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We wanted to know if the investment would be worth it. Would connecting people to the grid help lift them out of poverty? We looked at household electricity use before and after 17.5 million households in India were connected to the grid. Then we looked at census data and surveys from thousands of villages to see how electrification affected economic opportunities. It turns out electrification led to more small business activity and improved economic well-being for people in medium to large villages, but not in the smallest villages with fewer than 300 people. And our study shows that electrification is unlikely to lift people in these communities out of poverty. These smaller unelectrified villages tend to be too poor, lacking the infrastructure and capital needed to harness the economic potential of electricity access. Having refrigeration in your shop, for example, will only go so far if refrigerated trucks can't get to your village by road. So going forward, maybe it's better to invest in roads, health clinics, and schools, or perhaps couple electricity investments with many of those things. Now, we aren't suggesting that governments stop trying to improve electricity access among their poorest, most marginalized populations. However, India's recent experience suggests that these efforts are unlikely to meaningfully reduce poverty unless governments can target the villages where electrification is most likely to improve economic output.